How to log in into Showmax account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Showmax account. Now, this is a super easy tutorial, so let us jump right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser. After you've opened up a web browser, simply search for Showmax. After you search for Showmax, the link will pop up. It will be on the top. Simply open that up. After you tap on the link, you can directly head over to www.showmax.com too. And after you've done that, you will see the sign in option on the top right corner. Now, this is not available in my region, but still head over to the sign in. The interface is almost the same. So tap on sign in, and after you tap on sign in, you'll get redirected to a page where you will need to enter your email address. So simply type in your email address and then tap on continue. After you do that, you will need to enter your password, and after you enter your password, you are logged in into your Showmax account. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you can log in into your Showmax account. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.